Life can get crazy living in a city like Tokyo. There's so many people and just navigating through the crowds, it's exhausting. And even if you're visiting, I can only imagine how much more tiring it is with the language barrier. So let me show you an experience that involves food and relaxing the mind and soul. Something a little bit different so that you can kind of relax and take yourself out of the hustle and bustle of the city. But if you're coming during Sakura season, it'll be extra great. We're gonna go find out what it is. Before we go, make sure you subscribe and like the video for more foodie adventures. All right, let's calm down and let's go. Over here. Today we're actually in Gotanda, which is kind of more southern of where we usually shoot. It's near places like Meguro or Jiogaka, which are super lively areas. This is Meguro River, so all these trees are actually cherry blossom trees. There's not that much there. We're here for a rental filming location, but the experience is usually in a different location, but more on that later. Hi.
Hi.
My name's Stephanie. Are you Mori?
Yes, I'm Mori. Thank you for coming, Stephanie.
Oh, thank you for having me. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So let's go. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go upstairs.
Upstairs? Okay.
Yes.
Wow. What a nice and relaxing space. I'm really excited to get started.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming today, Stephanie. I have a little gift for you.
For me?
Yes, this is your name in kanji.
Whoa, it's my first time seeing my name in kanji. Can you explain it to me?
Yeah, this is Su. Congratulations.
Yay.
Te, hand. Fu, clothes. This is actually a, both clothes and savoir. And this means new. Yes, Stephanie.
Thank you so much for having me today. I actually wanted to learn a little bit more about you and how you started this experience and why.
When I went to Miami, when I was a university student, I felt like I was so Japanese. I really love foreign people and speaking English, but I found that I am Japanese. After graduation, I did totally different work. I got into a big Japanese company and I worked there as a salesperson. I actually was physically and emotionally drained, and you know, my life is like jet coaster. Thought, what happened to me, you know, like this up and down. I found myself. I am I, you know.
Yeah.
That's everything. And I noticed that I want to express myself, and then I found wagashi, Japanese sweet. This is my tool to express myself. The charm of Nerikiri is that you can express the seasons. You know, today we're gonna make cherry blossom, Sakura. It's in spring, right? And also you can freely express whatever you imagine, whatever you like. My classroom name is Yuragi, means fluctuation. In natural world, everything is changing at every moment. When you try to make wagashi, Japanese sweets, it's very difficult maybe. So you might feel like, oh, I can't do well, but it's totally okay.
Okay, I will try my best to not want to be the best, but to be happy.
To be relaxed, first of all, I give you guided meditation. So just relax and follow my word. The reason I do this is because I want you to put your brain aside. It's very busy every day, right?
Yeah, too busy.
Yeah. So now put them aside and open your 5 senses and connect with your own sensitivity. First, take a deep breath and exhale slowly. Slowly rotate your arm like this. Inhale up, exhale down. What do you hear? Sound of water, the sound of the wind shaking the leaves, and your mind will gradually become quieter and more organized. Stop movement and slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much. How was it?
relaxed,
Oh,
and
good.
calm.
Yes.
I feel like nowadays a lot of Japanese culture can easily get lost, but it's these small things like wagashi that makes Japan. So I'm really interested to learn more about it as well. So thank you so much for sharing it with me.
What Yuragi values is this: the only sweets in the world equal you are the only one in the world. At the same time, I want you to feel you are the only person in this world. Yeah, let's make Sakura from now on. And keep your hand clean. Let's do this together. You can do it.
Yeah.
Remember meditation, okay?
Yeah, I think I'll do this a lot.
Yes.
I just have to remember that every sakura and every cherry blossom is different, and that's okay because mine will be different from this, even though it looks perfect.
Today I prepared nerikiri dough with color, so you can start. Put this on your palm, and first we need press and fold.
The texture is quite soft. It's almost like Play-Doh, and they tell you not to eat it, but this one you can eat.
Yes, that's true. Roll, make this into a ball like this.
Ta-da! It's perfect.
Please pick up small white one with your finger like this. Call this momi momi part in Japanese.
Why momi momi?
Momi momi means like kneading.
Oh.
Again, make it into a ball. Small bowl. Please open the wrap of anko red bean paste. Today I brought two types of red bean paste, smooth, and this you feel more bean. Smooth
Or beanie.
Or beanie, yeah. Whichever you want. And pressing part. Press first. So move to your finger. You can see a little hollow in here. Take your red bean paste and press on to the whole hollow. Very soft soap. And at the last part, use your finger and like this.
On the top.
Great. You can do it. Okay, now flip it around. Now, this white part go down to the paper like this and turn it around.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. So the shape is gradually like, cone shape. And ton. Okay, we're gonna use some tools. This is bamboo skewer. Make a small dot to the center. This is called sankakubo. This is Japanese sweet tool. And there are 3 parts. Today we use this sharp side. Roll to the point. Okay.
Yay! Looks like a peach.
So from the center, slide a little bit.
Sliding a little bit.
Last pinch it with your 2 fingers. Yes, nice. So do this to 4 more petals. Yeah. Now we're gonna cut each petal.
Right.
So this part.
Ta-da!
Cute heart. 5 hearts. Make line in the middle of each petal. Okay, almost there. So last part, flower core.
Yes.
So please take this tea strainer and yellow nerikiri and push it.
Pushing. Woo! Wow, that's so satisfying. Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow. See, if I turn this over, the yellow part shouldn't fall out.
Okay.
Oh, yay! It's special.
Yes.
So this one looks like traditional sakura or cherry blossoms. They're a little bit more paler. So hopefully when this video comes out, it is actually cherry blossom season in Japan. So you'll get to see them in real life if you come to Japan, or if not, you can enjoy them with this little sweet. So I heard that when you eat these kind of Japanese sweets, that there's something you should pair it with. So what do you recommend?
Of course, matcha. Yes. So next, you're gonna make matcha.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Let's make matcha.
Let's make matcha. Like sideways.
Oh, sideways.
Please,
this way.
sideways, yes. Shaka shaka.
Shaka, shaka, shaka.
Making form. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes. In tea ceremony, first we eat nerikiri, okashi sweets, and then drink matcha.
Ooh.
Beanie one.
Yeah, so it's got all that texture inside.
Yeah.
But it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay. It's so good. It's very sweet, but because I got the beanie one, I can taste like the skin,
Yeah.
which adds a little bit of texture
Yeah.
and chew to it. But it is very sweet.
Yeah.
So now I know why they pair it with matcha, which is bitter.
Yeah.
That's nice matcha.
So best matching.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh. Mori-san, thank you so much for this fun and unique experience. And I actually think it's really important for people coming to Japan to experience something like this. I think it's very easy for us to get distracted by the glitz and the glam of the city or things that are new. But the things that actually make Japan what it is now, things like this and learning from locals like yourself.
I live in Otaku, and there is a plum garden. It's called Ikegami Baien. It's very beautiful place, good for mindfulness. So that's why I do this at Ikegami Baien.
If you want to book this experience, you can check it out on the links down below or on the QR codes. It happens all year round. You can do the Sakura. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment which part of this whole experience do you think you guys would enjoy the most, so we can know down below. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, click the photos on the left for more and the ones on the right to learn more about byFood and book your own foodie adventure. Bye-bye!